Hello everybody, I have my lemonade here ready to film. If you're interested in this makeup look and how I created it and the products that I used to create it, then keep on watching. Okay, so I think I'm ready finally. I got my lemonade here. Look how cute Dracula. Isn't he cute? It's a sticker I got from Mel Cosmetics a while back. I think it was last year when I purchased their Universal collection, the Universal Monsters collection. I got the Frankenstein one, the palette, and it brought this sticker, so I put it on this one. This is actually the back side. I put it in the back, but it's actually like this. And I made myself lemonade because I do love lemonade. I already have my primer and my base on because to sit down here and try to film this video, I had to stop multiple times for many reasons, and you have no idea. You have no idea. That's why I already have my base on. I use the Morphe 2 Hint Hint Skin, it's called, yeah, Hint Hint Skin Tint. And for primer, I use the Milani one. This one, which I love, and I've already hit pan on it a long time ago. Look at that. I have to repurchase that because I love it. The reason why I already have my face on is because I started filming and I didn't have my microphone connected. So I had to stop for like the billionth time because I kept forgetting everything. And now I got my microphone, so, but it's okay. That's not important in this video because it's all about the fall makeup look. I'm still gonna add some other face products, so it's okay. I'm gonna go in with a cream bronzer by Milk Makeup because I haven't used this in a long time, and I think this is more like a nice little brown color. It's like a warm tone brown, and I think it's gonna be great for a fall look. So I'm just gonna put this in the back of my hand here. It's kind of liquidy. I think I have to shake it up. So I'm just gonna put in the back of my hand, and I feel so lost doing this video. What is wrong with me? I feel like I've never done this before. It's like, come on. I did one not too long ago. Does this happen to you when you stop filming for a little while? I seriously feel like I'm lost. But yeah, I wanted to do a fall look. I was so inspired to do a fall look because fall has officially started. And I love fall. Fall is my favorite season. It's a shame that I don't really get fall where I live, but I always love decorating for fall and Halloween as well because I just feel like I kind of psych my mind into thinking that I'm in a fall weather type of thing. I guess that's why I do it. I don't know. I kind of gotta trick my mind into thinking that I'm in fall. Plus, it's beautiful. Fall is gorgeous. Let me add a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Because I will be covering that with powder anyway. Have you started your fall decoration or Halloween decoration? Let me know. Where can I see it? In case you post it on your social media, you can follow me on TikTok or Instagram, and I can follow you back so I can see your decoration if I'm not following you already. For blush, I'm going to be using this one by Cosmic Brushes. I got this, oh my gosh, I got this last year for their holiday collection they came out with, and I don't remember how I feel about these blushes. They're cream blushes. It brought two. This one, which is more like a very orangey red tone, and another one that's more like a brown color. But I'm gonna go with this one because I honestly cannot remember what I feel about it. I don't know if it was too deep for me. Oh yeah, that's what it is. That is what it is. They're very pigmented. So I think this one goes well for like a fall vibe. I just can't use a lot of it. As you can see it a mile away. And they're more on the dewy side as well. But again, I'm gonna be powdering, so it's fine. Oh wow, that is a lot. But I haven't put concealer on, so I can clean it up with that. And I'm gonna use my concealer, the IRL Filter Finish, which is basically what I always use. Put that right there. Sort of tone this down a little bit, it got out of hand. For powder, my favorite, one of my favorites, the Wet n Wild Loose Setting Powder. This is in shade Translucent. It's very lightweight. So I don't know what fall palettes as of today that's new related to fall, but the one I'm gonna use is by Glamlite, and it came out last year, and I think it's perfect for this time, for this fall season. It has all the oranges, different tones of orange, like a mustard color, a nice burnt red, very beautiful. And I thought it was fitting for this video. This is the palette I'm talking about. It's the Trick or Treat palette, right? Yeah. Which brings 10 colors, all very beautiful fall colors. I think I'm going to stick with this side over here, these tones here, and like a copper, probably that one, copper shade, because I had seen a while back a gorgeous makeup look and I forgot to save it, and it was like a red, like a burnt red color and copper, which I would have never tried to combine those two colors, so I thought it was very interesting, and I've never done two colors like that, so I think I'm going to do that for this look. Hopefully it comes out good. I think I'm going to start with this orange first. Put that all over up here. My bangs are not looking their best right now, but I have to wash my hair. That's why. What are your fall favorite colors? I would love to know. Like that, and then I'm gonna go in with the red. I think I'm gonna do a halo look. So I'm gonna concentrate this in the outer corner, over here, and in the inner part as well. And going slightly above my hooded eyes so I can see the color. This color is gorgeous. Just add a little bit here. I'm gonna do that to both eyes, and I'll be back to try that shimmer. I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter primer. Spread that right in the center of my lid and in the crease as well, a little bit above the crease. But just a little bit, you don't need a lot of this. This is so great. Honestly, I've only tried this glitter primer and I've never tried any other because it's great. I don't need to try another one. So I'm gonna go in with this copper right over here. Which, by the way, how cute does that combo look with the black? That's a nice idea right there. And I'm gonna plop this right here in the middle and see what I think about it. What do you like to do for fall? I remember when I was in the States, I would love to go to parks and just see the colors of the trees and all the leaves. I love that. Just that alone will make me happy. I didn't need to do anything fancy or anything like that. Just go look at the trees. Oh, that shimmer is gorgeous. So the picture that I saw, it had like, oh my god, I'm all dirty. It had like a sparkle all around, like at the brow bone, sort of like that. I don't think I have one like that, but I'm gonna use this with my finger here and kind of tap it around to see maybe that'll create that effect just around here. because it had like a little sparkle all the way in the brow bone. So hopefully that will mimic that a little bit. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but I can see it. I'm going to do the same thing on the lower lash line. I'm going to start with the orange. Actually, I'm going to use this one first and then go in with this one. These colors, honestly, I love them, but I love them at this time. I don't like it any other time of the year. I don't know why. It's weird, I know, but I don't know why I'm like that. I just really like these type of colors for fall. Now I'm going to go in with the red, a little bit closer to the lower lash line, and connect it up here. What shows have you been watching lately? Let me know. I love asking that because I finished all of the ones that I was, well, actually no, I'm still watching Dark Shadows because there's so many seasons of that. But I'm close to the end. I'm close to the end. And I've been watching all the oldies. And when I mean oldies, I mean black and white. I'm obsessed with black and white shows. I'm watching the Twilight Zone, the ones that are black and white. I'm on season 4 of that one. I'm also watching The Monsters, the original one, which is in black and white. Love that one a lot. So yeah, I've been into the oldies lately. I just love it. With the black of the palette, with an angled brush, and deepen this thing right here, this little area. I'm debating if I want like a red eyeliner in the waterline or black. I don't know what to do, but I'll figure it out soon. And I completely forgot to bring my lashes, so I gotta go and get that, stop the video again, get up and get that. So I'll be right back. So I went in with the ColourPop. What shade is this? This is called Joyride. It's like a burgundy color. I don't know if you could tell in the waterline because it's so close to the black that it kind of looks brown. But in person you could tell it's more like a burgundy color. I went in with that one. If I don't like it, I'll just put black over it. And for mascara, I use my favorite, the L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal, which I'm running low on. And now I'm adding the glue to my lashes, which I'm using Cara Beauty. So let me wait until this glue gets tacky and I'll be back. Okay, lashes are on, right? I can't believe I got that in, right in the first try. So moving on, honestly, I feel like a badass bitch with these lashes. I completely forgot I had those lashes. Cara Beauty makes great lashes. They're on the thicker side, like in the band, but not too thick, so it doesn't feel like heavy. They feel comfortable. And they're gorgeous. Look at that. That took that to another level. So for blush, I think I'm gonna go in with a peachy color. So I'm gonna use this one from Buxom, and it also has like a little bit of shimmer, and I think I'm gonna like that a lot because the red that I used, this one from, what was it, Cosmic Brushes, I don't really like that color on me. Like, it doesn't really look good on me. I don't know if it's in my head or not. I think it's too deep for me. I think that's what it is. And it's a shame because they're very good quality. I just don't like the color. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this to tone it down and make it more like orangey. And then for bronzer, which I also hit pan on this one, the Infallible one, this is the lightest shade. Just gonna add this a little bit over here on the sides here. I'm not gonna do my forehead because my bangs cover it, so what's the point, you know? And then I like to add a little bit right up in here, just a little bit. That's pretty much it. And then for highlight, which I haven't used highlight in a long time. I don't even know where my brush is for highlight. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna go in with this one from Unearthly Cosmetics, Get Groovy, and it brings two. One is like this and then the other one's like that. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one. It's like gold. And use that. Ooh. Like all the way over here. This is more on the glittery side. So I'm not gonna use a lot of it because I don't tend to like glittery highlights. Just gonna keep that over there. Okay, and then for lips, I haven't used this one in a very long time. I keep forgetting that I have this. This is by Milani in shade Passion. It's this color right here. Gorgeous warm tone brown. And here's the final look. I love those colors. I love the palette. I love this lipstick. I completely forgot that I love this lipstick. I gotta put it where I could see it because for this season, this is gonna be great. This is a great color. And these are super soft. They're matte, but they're not drying. That's why I love them. And then yeah, I gotta remember these lashes. These lashes are great. Love them. So that is it for this video. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button while you're at it. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.